the government is all set to challenge the Supreme Court order of yesterday that sets to bar MPs, MLAs, even panchayat leaders, if they've been convicted for more than 2 years, barred from representing people of India. Top government sources have told headlines today the centre is all set to challenge the Supreme Court order. They've said that Parliament does not have the power to enact Section 8(4) of the People's Representation Act, which protects convicted lawmakers against disqualification. The government believes that the Apex Court judgment goes against the principle of natural justice, and the verdict will be challenged after building a political consensus. The centre may approach a 5-judge bench to challenge the ruling of a division bench that came on Wednesday. And our deputy political editor Kartikeya Sharma now joins me for more on this. Kartikeya, yesterday the Supreme Court had made it very clear, from panchayat to parliament, we don't want criminals representing people of India. But now the government appears to be set to challenge this verdict. Why? On what grounds?
You see, there's a clamor within the government to feel that the fact that the judgment mentions that the parliament does not have the power and it is vested in the list of the constitution, something which they do not agree. So it is on that principle it's going to be moved to a constitution bench, which is going to be a 5-member. Secondly, they also feel that by this judgment you will disqualify a lot of lawmakers, which will not be in tune with the way bureaucracy is treated. Because in case when they are debarred from their offices, they always have the opportunity to come back. But if you do this with an MLA or an MP, he will lose his constituency forever. And thirdly, and most important of all, there's a political consensus. Very soon there's going to be an all-party meeting, Gaurav, and most of the important political parties, be it left, be it even Samajwadi Party, they feel that the government must move. So the initiative will not come from the Congress itself. Initiative is from all those alliance or so-called third front parties like Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samajwadi Party, who will be pressurizing the government to move a constitution bench.
Okay, but will the government then have an all-party meeting first, an all-party meeting, a decision taken there, and then the government challenges this? Or will the government move to challenge the Supreme Court verdict? Because this verdict has been widely welcomed across the country, where the people of this country also say, why should criminals represent us? And the Supreme Court is spot on when they say, whether in panchayat or in parliament, we don't want criminals representing people of India.
The judgment has a strong political resonance, that's very clear. Now, as you said, that will it be a solo act? No. I think there'll be a all-party meeting. There'll be cross-party consultations. It is only after that the matter would be referred in a review petition. You see, the wording is going to be very important to the 5-member bench, and it is now being openly and on record said by Manish Tiwari. When this question was asked to him, he said there are certain issues which my colleague informed me informally. He said this on record.